On a cold April night in 1912, the unsinkable met the unforgiving. The RMS Titanic, a marvel of engineering, descended to the ocean floor, leaving behind a story of ambition, tragedy, and enduring mystery. I'm Sir Historious, and today we are diving deep into the fate of the Titanic. What went wrong, who survived, and why this ship still captivates the world over a century later. The Titanic was more than a ship. It was a symbol of progress, built in Belfast, Ireland, and launched in 1911. The Titanic was the largest ship afloat at the time. Standing at 882 feet long, it was designed to carry over 2,200 passengers and crew, in luxury never before seen at sea. On April 10, 1912, Titanic set sail from Southampton on its maiden voyage, bound for New York City. Among its passengers were some of the wealthiest people in the world, alongside hundreds of immigrants seeking a new life in America. If you had been aboard the Titanic, would you have traveled in first class or taken your chances in the steerage? Let me know. But fate had other plans. On the night of April 14, 1912, at 11:40 p.m., Titanic struck an iceberg in the North Atlantic. Within just a few hours, the unsinkable ship began to vanish beneath the waves. Of the 2,200 passengers and crew, only 706 survived, rescued by the RMS Carpathia. The rest were left to the freezing waters of the Atlantic. Among those who perished was the ship's captain, Edward Smith. The tragedy exposed stark class divisions. First-class passengers had a far greater chance of survival than those in third class. Titanic's sinking wasn't just a maritime disaster, it was a societal reckoning. Do you believe more lives could have been saved if different decisions had been made that night? Decades later, in 1985, the wreck of the Titanic was discovered by Robert Ballard, resting over 12,000 feet beneath the ocean surface. Since then, the Titanic has fascinated historians, filmmakers, and treasure hunters alike. The story of the Titanic endures as a testament to human ambition, the power of nature, and the lessons of history. It's a reminder that even our greatest creations are not immune to the forces of the world. If stories of lost treasures and forgotten history intrigue you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious. I'm Sir Historious, and I'll see you on our next voyage into the past.